This is for September 8th for the NASDAQ for NQZ21 or NQ1221. I'm just going to do 3 contracts and just kind of see what I do before the market opens. It's not doing much. These levels, the white lines and the green lines, are just levels from previous things, but sometimes they play a significance. So like some lines right there. That one's doing like pretty much nothing, but okay, so that when I open it up, it looks a lot better. So let me, that seems like one I can draw. Let's not draw that one yet. Let's do this one. It's just from what I can see. So I just spent a few minutes before the market opens just to draw some trend lines. I can jump in long right here if I wanted to. Just keep my stop probably like right. Like I go short, so maybe that wasn't a good move. Let me go ahead and get out of this.
And what's up?
I'm recording. This market's moving kind of slow. I hate it when it does this. That's why I really don't like getting in before 8:30 sometimes. But sometimes it moves fast. It just depends on the day. I'm gonna get out of this position. So I'm gonna go short here. I'm gonna see how much longer it's gonna go long, and then should have kept it long. Okay. I'll go short right here. Market's moving so slow, so I'll just do like 30 minutes. But once it hits 8:30, it'll move a lot faster. Just minute by minute takes forever. But we're already up 1 point. That's $55 for. Draw a trend line here. Oh, wow. Okay. Now it's starting to get really volatile. So it's going short past that trend line on the right. So I'm just gonna stay with it until I start seeing some green. Since this is this far down, I'm just gonna leave my stop here because that's only 7 points. So it's 7 points from here. So I need to redraw this trend. I need to be paying attention to what it's doing as well. And right here. So it keeps on going down. I think my stop will be right here. But if it goes past that, I'm still gonna just keep writing it down. Okay, it's approaching it. this line on this trend line right here on the left. I really don't know where to go on this one, but that turns green, I'm out. Oh, turn red. Okay, this on the left doesn't look like it's going, hasn't crossed, and if it goes past this, I'm out. And I could still save a little bit of, if it goes, okay, it needs to get out right now. I might let it breathe a little bit. Okay, sorry, if it goes up here, then I'm out. Okay, good, see? We just gotta let it breathe a little bit sometimes. I'm still in a short position. Okay, went past this trend line that was gonna be my target, but if it goes past this is another target from another day, but if it goes past this, I'm just watching to see how far it should go. This is good to like bring it down to save some, to get something out of it, just in case it turns back around. I'm gonna move it down to even this. So it's still going. This is crazy. Okay, it's going green, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get out. It'll probably stop me out anyways right there. Okay, so I'm up 2270. It's overextended, but I'm just gonna jump in real quick, and then I'll jump out real quick because it looks like it's a little bit overextended. Okay, there we go. Maybe that wasn't a good move. Since I shouldn't be chasing it, but I'm gonna get stopped out. Okay, that move was not good. It was already overextended. But I can, if this goes long and one candle turns green, I'll just get a few points and just probably exit out at the 1 minute right there. I mean the 9 EMA right there. Dang, I should have put my stop loss there. I would have been okay. But oh well. So that's why I don't like having stop losses, but if you need to cover your losses and have a minimum amount you need to lose, it's good to have it in. I'm just gonna read this and I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna move this up because I don't want to be stopped out again if the market's trending really low, you know. But looks like if I get stopped out again on this one, then I'm just okay. Okay, it's time for me to get out. Okay, so I lost all that money right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and go green now. And I'm gonna move the stop down here. This is more than a 7-point stop loss, but and I know the market's going short, so I think I might just write it up here to this just to get some extra points from the losses I just made. But sometimes it just consolidates right here, so when it's turning, sometimes it's good to just stay out of it. So when it's down here, it's probably just going to play at this level between here and here for a while. But I'm just going to leave my stop loss and limit right there. That might go down again too. I'll probably get stopped out right now. If I'm just a little positive, I think I'll be fine. See this, let me make a trend here, maybe it might help my trading. If it doesn't go past here, it should be fine. This is still going short, so hopefully it bounces off this trend line I just made on the right and goes back up to the, oh, I'm getting stopped out. Oh, there it goes. That might have helped me just a little bit. Remove this and let me do it again. So now I'm not going to make anything, but just hoping I get a little bit back. I should have just kept everything short, but took out my stop loss. If it goes past this, it's going to stop me out, which it's about to stop me out anyway. Unless I get a miracle on it, a long candle. But Yes. Okay, if this helps, it'd be great. I'm not going to be greedy. Hopefully it just gets to this 9 EMA so I can have some kind of recovery out of my trade from being stopped out a couple times before this. And if it hits that 9 EMA, I will go long. But I don't know how long it's going to play like this around here. Sometimes it takes 20, 30 minutes, a few hours. But from the way it looks, I think it's going to go short. See what I'm saying? And I moved my stop loss so far that it's eating up a lot of my profits. So yeah, I'm about to be stopped out. So let me go ahead and get out right now.
Order submit. Order fill.
I'm going to go short. Get some points here. I'm going to get out because I need to sit it out now. I don't even want to draw that yet because it hasn't. I don't want to draw the trend line yet because it hasn't crossed, but I can ride this. Well, I should have patience. All I need is a little bit of patience. And now it's finally coming out of this part, and this is turning green, so maybe we can ride it up to here. Okay, now I can draw. Trend line in here. I have a feeling it can like go up to here probably. Right here. But really right here too. This mean, but this is like a long ways up, so it's probably gonna go red a little bit before it goes green again. So if this turns red at all, I'm getting out. Okay. If it passes the 9 EMA, I will get out. Move it to the 9 EMA just so I get some profit. If it turns around, we'll make something. Start moving up just a little bit. It goes past this 9 EMA. At least we made some profit. And looks like that's what it's doing. Okay. So we made a little bit of something. Why that always does that. So pretty much hit the 9 EMA and then went down. So now it looks like it's still going short. Or it might just still go long. I just don't know. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Pause this. Okay, sorry, I had to do something, but here we go again. I'm just gonna do this for like 9 more minutes just to see where we are, but we're still up 1285. It might just on the right hit this trend line I made, and then it might bounce back up. But this still looks like it's going short, so we will see. You can get a few points by going short right now. I'll probably just get out right here. Oh. Let me move this stop. Just gonna get this right here. go ahead and get out of that. I don't know if it's actually going to reach it, but that's where my point was, and then it went back up. I'm feeling this might start going long. If this short doesn't go past this trend line, it's probably going to go long if it keeps on bouncing up. Because the trend looks like it's going long, but I'm just trying to wait on to see on what this candle does. Okay, it's going short, so I'm going to go short. And I'm going to move this past the 9 EMA. I think is good. Like right up, maybe here. If this passes the 9 EMA, then let me give it some breathing room. Just do it here. Okay, so that next candle passes the 9 EMA because this looks like it just stopped right there. So if it passes, we're going to go long. All right, we're going to go long. This looks like the trend. So it gets tricky when the trend starts changing. I don't know which way it's going to go. I just try my best to draw my lines so I can kind of refer to them. So the first one was at this one right here. So I'm thinking maybe right here is a good one. I mean, you can even do your Fibonacci points. Like I do that here. So I'm going to do like that. I think this is a tip of that one. You can kind of refer to your Fibonacci where it stops right here. And then do it on the 9. Here. So that helps too. So this is a good short right here. Either this one or this one. Just gonna go for this limit. And then I'm gonna $28 looks like one too, but we'll just see. Okay, it looks like it's going short, so I need to get out of this. Okay, and then it starts working really fast when, you know. So look how much I'm down. This is crazy. Let me just speed this up a little bit because I lost pretty much all my money right now. I just hate playing when things start changing. It just sucks right here. So let me just speed this up a little bit and see what it will do. Okay, that stopped me out because it went long, even though it did a fake short. So, go long, okay. Yeah, it was right, okay. It didn't do a fake long. Okay, so I think I'm just going to use this line just to make sure I'm going long. So where was my stop? Right, 43. Maybe right here for this one. Okay, and let's just speed it up to see what happens, because I think it will just stay. This will finish us up about 9 o'clock. Sorry. Oh, it barely touched it. But that's where my limit is. Kind of stick to your guns, you know? So we are up $1,000. I just speeded it up, so. But then I lost that 1,000 right there. Because when it turns, just always get a major problem. But I can keep on playing it till 9:30, and I'll probably get like another 1,000 because I'm thinking it's going to go short from this trend line down to here. So let's say I just went ahead and kept it going, and let's go short. Hold on. I'm going to go short right here, and then I'm going to stop right here. Okay, I would have got stopped out probably, but let me just stick to what I wanted to do. See? That's $2,000 right there. So it's good to stick to your guns. I mean, the market's going to play around, and you don't know what it's going to do, but, you know. Close this out. And stop sharing.